Today, we're going to be reviewing a product that was sent to me from Amazon. It's called NovoStella, a smart multicolor string light. This company sent me this product when they saw my how to hang Costco string lights the smart way. So they wanted me to make a review and how-to video on this product. First things first, I'm going to open the box and go through it and see what it's all about. NovoStella, smart inside, splendid outside. Let's check it out. Okay, got some zip ties, some instructions. Here are the bulbs all individually wrapped. They're plastic just like Costco lights. They almost look like Costco string lights. So that's all we got in the box. Let's put this on the ground. So here it is. So right off the bat, I know I'm gonna have to buy some additional hardware to hang this, which just like Costco string lights, so it's the same thing. So I'll do my homework. I'll see where I wanna mount it, whether I want it on wood or on my cast iron fence. Oh, there's a box here. So it's a little different from the Costco. I'm not comparing it to Costco, but LED power supply. It looks like this is probably like your brain, and then you hook it up to the app, and then you can control each bulb for colors. Oh, there's a little remote here too. Little remote. Instructions. Ooh, look at the colors. Yeah, it's cool. It gives detailed description of what's on the app. So there's a lot of instructions to read here, so I'm gonna go ahead and read it. I'm still looking for the length of the string lights itself. It tells you it's 30 bulbs. It has all this information in it. I haven't read it, which I need to do, so I'm not trying to jump to conclusions here, but I'm not seeing any length of the lights itself, and I kind of need that to gauge where I'm gonna put it at. So I might have to grab my trusty tape measure and do it the old-fashioned way.
I was given this product to review, so I didn't go on the website to choose the option for the length.
Right off the bat, it looks like this thing's completely a rat's nest, so hopefully it doesn't take too long to lay this out, because I do want to see how long it actually is visually so I can know where to put this thing.
After talking to a representative with my concerns about the packaging of this product, I was made aware that the new products come in 6 strands versus the one I was sent.
So this is the hardware I'm going to use. I hung some string lights from Costco up above my pool. I have leftovers from that kit, so I'm putting that in the description below, as well as the link for the lights. They supplied you with zip ties, which that'll work and all, but like, how long is that going to last? The plastic's eventually going to get brittle and break off. So for me, I like to get on a ladder maybe one time, and I'm using stronger hardware. For that, I don't need this. Every household's different, and even with the hardware I have, you won't need it all. And I don't even know what I'm gonna use. I'm just gonna kind of piece it together. I do like these turnbuckles because I'm planning on running wire through the string lights, so it's a like straighter look. You could, if you're going for that look, let them dangle down. That'll work too, but I like using these because, yeah, you can tighten them, and then it's a total straight. I don't know, it just looks a lot better, in my opinion. And all my stuff I do, I like having a quick release. I don't like a permanent fix on it. I like to have, you know, if I want to take it down for any reason, like if it's windy or it's going to be a rainy season and you're not going to be running the lights, even though they're waterproof, I just like having that option. So what's cool about these lights is you could pass. Those zip ties are probably for these cables that you just zip tie each one to the, you know, the hole here. But I'm gonna run the cable all the way through it, so it makes it easier, faster, and more efficient. See, little holes here. So I'm just gonna do that. I'm gonna take these off too, but I'm gonna wait till last minute before I hang these to do that, because I am still dragging it, trying to figure out exactly how I'm gonna lay it out, but I don't wanna scratch, these are plastic. Not glass, plastic, so, which is good, but they'll probably scratch easy by dragging it on concrete. Brilliant, I know. So kind of like that. Connect to the next one, and so on. So I'm gonna go ahead and mount these. I'm gonna start with this first one here, tie it off, kind of do like a dummy run in a way before I permanently fasten it all. Just to see, I wanna make sure it's completely even. So it's gonna go across 1, 2, 3, 4 times. So I wanna be able to balance, the wiring's gonna be connected, but then the bulbs itself, I wanna be able to make sure the bulbs are perfectly spaced between, you know, just to make sure it's even. So I don't want like a bulb like right under here, and then on the other side over there to have like a 2-foot gap, if you know what I'm saying. Unscrew these all the way out, because then when you hang the string lights, you're gonna screw it in to cause this thing to pull back, and then it's gonna tighten your string light. It makes sense. Just say it makes sense. Nod your head. Okay, good. Oh yeah. Set up there, pass a wire through, put this through it, and crimp it. Pass this through like that. So what you're gonna do is, I'm gonna send it through that loop. Damn, bugs always around me. What the hell, am I smelly or something? And then I'm gonna pass this through, so it causes, it's gonna be like that, right? I'm gonna put it around this, and it's a quick release. So then you can just pull this off in the wintertime, or whenever you want, if you want. Chances are I'm never gonna do that, but it's good to have that option. It's right here. Gonna go like that, pass this through. Can you see with my fat fingers in the way? See, it's gonna be like that. And then you need to crimp it. And make sure you pull on it, make sure it's not gonna come off. There she blows. So I have this passing through, all the lights going to the other side. As you can see, you can kind of slide it still, and that's the way I like it, because I want to gauge where the light's gonna start, you know. So is it gonna start like right here, or is it gonna be out a little bit, you know, just start over here. I just want it to be even to the other side. You'll see what I'm talking about when I'm finished.
Repeat the steps that I just did to the other places you're anchoring your lights.
All right, so like I said, for the sake of this video, I'm showing you different ways how to mount this. I'm just using leftover parts I have from previous jobs. So here is some drilling that, I mean, I'm gonna screw this thing in now. I'm running out of that rope, string rope too, so I might have to take a trip to Home Depot after all. But anyways, for the sake of the video, I am gonna finish this. That's why I'm trying to do everything I can to mount this damn shit so I could finish and do a nice review of the product. Check out my how to hang Costco string lights the smart way. That is a tutorial that'll show you exactly how to hang string lights and where the links are at to get the proper hardware instead of piecing this together the way I'm doing it. So that's 532. I drilled it with a 1/8 drill bit, so it could be, I could screw it in and it's pretty snug there, but you can Google that. Anyways, you're seeing how I mount it with stuff I already have, so that's kind of cool. Oh, and by the way, I got rid of the stilts because I just didn't feel safe on them. I think I'm gonna sell them. Pretty much out of cable. The cable, I don't have enough to stretch it to this, so I just put this there, temporary. So for the sake of the video, like I said, so I could complete this and then see what it looks like when it's all lit up at night. So losing light here. I have one more strand to go across, which should be fairly simple. I'm gonna hit that tree over there yeah, just wait for it to get dark. And then I'll hit Home Depot tomorrow and buy the rest of the stuff to do this properly. But excited to see what it looks like. It looks pretty cool so far, and it's not even lit up. At the end of the line here, so I'm gonna do the same thing I did over there. Put this piece on. Come over here. There it is. See that? Okay. Look at that. It's like perfect. I'm so good at this. I should do this for a living. I'm gonna protect my tree. All right. Got it done. It's all hung up. And I did make a mistake, and I didn't take the baggies off the bulbs. So I'm gonna do that now, but I'm not gonna torture you through it. I just gotta clean up and mount one last thing. And of course, run the extension cord cleanly down here. But here it is. Not bad. Let's see what it looks like at nighttime, guys.
Dazzle your guests with individually programmable bulb string lights and create a night that won't be forgotten. The cream of the crop, so to speak, of LED outdoor lighting.
Very satisfied with these lights. There's all different kinds of options with this remote or on your app on your phone.
Dance to music. It's definitely a fun party trick or an easy way to have a dance-off with your dog.
These lights are awesome. Now, the video doesn't do justice. You just have to see it for yourself. Way cooler than regular boring string lights. Okay?
I highly recommend these string lights. It blew me away. This was fun putting it up, but even more fun with it all lit up. For more information on this, see the link in the description.